All right, guys, welcome to another live stream. Welcome to another live stream. I'm sorry I'm late. I had a long day at work. Um, I worked literally from 7 to right now. I got off at 11:40. So, yeah, long day. I had to get a report out. But yeah, nonetheless, crypto, in my opinion, is about to explode. Crypto, in my opinion, is about to explode. I think we are on the verge of the biggest altcoin season we have ever seen. It's going to be spectacular. It's going to be great. And the reason I think this is the case, let me show you. Let me show you why I believe this is the case, right? And wow, the number actually increased. But let me show you what I'm talking about so it can all make a little more sense here. All right. So what I'm referring to is the crypto altcoin season index. This morning it was at 73. Now it's at 80. I mean, we're hitting peak altcoin season. That means we're about to see some explosive moves in altcoins. And again, for those of you that have been watching the live stream, know that my favorite narrative for this altcoin season is the AI crypto narrative, right? AI is just big all the way around, especially with Nvidia breaking record numbers, and it continues to go up in value. And with decreasing interest rates, I think that's just going to increase even more. I think we see Nvidia by the end of the year, maybe $200. Now, I haven't checked Nvidia's price today because I've been busy, but let me check with Nvidia's price because we are in December. So I say the end of the year, we are in December, so we're at the end of the month. So Nvidia's at 138.63. So there is a possibility that we do see 200 if we get this interest rate decrease in December. But yeah, the focus right now is the crypto market, right? The focus for me, at least, when it comes to investing right now, if you're not in the crypto market, you are missing out on some really good gains. Obviously, one of the coins that have has been making headlines is XRP. XRP, I mean, is going crazy right now. It's at 154 billion, and if you look at it, it passed Solana in market cap by $50 billion. Holy crap! That is a lot, right? It has passed Solana by 50 billion, and it's crazy. Now, I don't invest in XRP, but I know a lot of people do, especially a lot of people that have been hodling since the end of the bull market for 2017, 2018 time period. So if you've been holding all the way since then, congratulations. You probably made a little bit of your money back if you bought at the top. But I'm not sure. It's a long period. It's a 6, 7 year period. So a lot of you may have sold at the bottom, or maybe on this run up, you said, okay, I'm just going to cut my losses and just sell my position, right? But do I think XRP is going to go further than this? Well, the altcoin season is just starting, but I don't know. I think this is a top, in my opinion. I don't think XRP really offers anything. For me, it's just like a glorified meme coin, in my opinion. Somebody said that earlier, and I actually agree with it. It just offers payments, but there's so many cryptocurrencies that can do the same thing and do it at a better speed and things like that. So XRP is just kind of like Doge, where it's like it has that cult where people just believe in the coin. And the fact that the regulatory landscape is getting so lenient due to the change in leadership in our office, presidential office, and things like that, people are just becoming a lot more optimistic, right? And XRP did win like the case against them. The SEC tried to sue them, and they won the case. And again, the fact that we're getting a pro crypto, um, you know, pro crypto, what do you call it? politicians in the office, uh, you know, it's just positive for crypto, and obviously we see it with XRP, and it's benefiting. For it to, oh look, at somebody left a thumbs down. I don't invest in XRP. So if you're putting the thumbs down because I'm investing in XRP, I'm not sure why. But maybe that's why a lot of people that have, that was invested in XRP back in 2017, 2018, they sold at a loss. So maybe that's why somebody put the thumbs down. But yeah, I don't invest in XRP. But this is kind of starting the bull market, and I guess the liquidity that's going in XRP is pushing this index all the way to 80. And I think XRP's sadly going to be starting the bull market for all of us. Now, again, I wouldn't be. I know a lot of people are trying to rush into XRP and try to get in on the pump. But if we look at its nature, it pumps for a little bit and then it crashes. It pumps and then crashes. So I don't think this time is going to be anything different, especially with this market cap of 154 billion. It's just too much, in my opinion. What I've started to see though is Render move a little. Render's at 32. It's at 920. So it's pushing to break its all-time highs. So I think you are delusional, bro. Go shill sheep. I'm not shilling XRP, brother. I'm not shilling XRP. I'm showing the chart, but I'm not shilling it. So, bro. Okay, so if you don't get your act together, you will get banned. He thinks I'm shilling XRP. Nobody's shilling XRP. But anyway, yeah, relax. So Render, right? So Render looks like it's breaking its all-time highs. If it breaks 12, I think it could shoot to 20, right? It probably a lot higher. I think, again, the AI narrative is very strong. And, again, we're in altcoin season. Again, I showed the chart earlier. I showed the index earlier. And we're at 80. We're at the peak. I mean, look at here. When we're at the peak, this is when we saw crazy gains, right? So you need to get ready. Well, I mean, you should be ready already. At this point, I've done a bunch of live streams. At this point, you guys should be ready. You should have your positions. At this point, I mean, you should already be locked in, right? At this point, coins are just going to be shooting up. Maybe some coins that haven't shot up, you have a chance. But again, if you're a person that's coming late to the party when it comes to the crypto, you're just going to be chasing parabolic moves up, and that's how you lose money. That's how you stay in coins. That's how you get in late and then kind of just hold the bag. Because remember, this altcoin season is only like a 2 to 4 month period thing, and you have to be ahead of the crowd. You can't be, following parabolic moves and thinking you're gonna make life-changing gains. You need to be in plays already. You need to have a lot of conviction, and if you don't have conviction, you would be left holding the bag most likely. And there's just a lot of people I see on X and Twitter that don't have the right mentality when it comes to this crypto investing. And again, they're wasting time commenting on people's videos, not paying attention to the trends, and they wonder why they lose money, right? It doesn't make any sense. So you need to already be in your position, right? Not saying that you can't get into something now, but you need to start making a decision quickly because things are going to start to get moving. And once they start to get moving, there's no getting in, right? At that point, you're just, you got to wait for the next altcoin season, which won't be for the next 4 years. And who knows, right? This time around, we don't know if, what altcoin season will look like next year. The landscape is maturing very quickly. We have a lot of institutional people in the space this time around, and it is, it's going to be changing. Now, do I think we have another crypto bull run like this for next time. I think we still got one more in, but it may not be as good as this one because I think this one's going to be really good. And yeah, it should be interesting. But yeah, that's all I wanted to talk about. I'm very tired. I worked a long day today, but I did not want to not get on and do a video because I always do a video each and every day. And yeah, just dedicate it. All right, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.